Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw your Chainlink tokens from your Trezor hardware wallet to the Kraken exchange in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will keep you secure and efficient. Whether you're cashing out for profits or moving assets, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Trezor device set up with your Chainlink tokens, a computer with the Trezor Suite app installed, and a verified Kraken account. Always double-check that your Trezor is connected and your recovery seed is safe. Security is non-negotiable in crypto. Step 1. Open the Trezor Suite on your computer and connect your Trezor device. Unlock it with your PIN for access to your wallet. Once in, navigate to the Ethereum wallet section since Chainlink runs on the Ethereum network. In 2025, ensure you're using the latest Trezor firmware for compatibility. Next, head over to your Kraken account on a secure browser. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select Chainlink link. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case-sensitive and specific to your account. Pro tip: always verify the address by comparing it on both devices to avoid any phishing scams. Now, back in Trezor Suite, select your Chainlink tokens and choose the Send option. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details, including network fees. Ethereum gas fees can fluctuate, so check current rates to minimize costs. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction on your Trezor device using its physical buttons. This adds an extra layer of security. After sending, monitor the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan to track its status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, check your Kraken balance to confirm the deposit. And there you have it. Your Chainlink is now on Kraken. Remember, always withdraw only what you need and keep the bulk of your crypto in cold storage like Trezor for safety. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.